Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI. If you're looking for a face mask that is both relaxing and effective, then you've come to the right place.
I love these face masks and I use them all the time. I love that they come in different kinds. So as you can see, there's some that are cucumber, some that are collagen, there are some that are specifically made from aloe, acai berry. So all these different fruits that are used for so many different things, and each one has its own specific purpose. These come in so many different kinds, but here I am using the tea tree face mask. Once I'm done with that, I just let the mask sit on my face. These masks dry super fast, which is something that I also personally prefer over other masks. Once you're done, the mask leaves your skin shiny, glowy, dewy, and smooth. I absolutely love these masks and they've just become a great part of my skincare routine.
I personally think that these face masks are a great addition to anyone's skincare routine, but that's just my point of view.